told me when I was young, don't play with fire, be careful, son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burnt the cities down, down. Thought you learned to listen. You won't be lonely if you fall in love. Over and over again and again.
Magandang buhay! So ayan, umaga na at epic fail kasi yung sunset na akala ko ay dito manggagaling dito pala manggagaling. So wala, epic fail. So ayan, aga kami, actually wala kami tulog at yung iba ayan nagsisipag nagsisipag swimming na. Ayan sila, yan nagsisipag swimming na silang lahat. Grabe, tapos itong brown na nabuhangin mamaya pag mainit na magiging na ulit ito, magiging white na. So, ayan, i-enjoy lang namin to kasi mamaya alis na rin kami. So, yan lang muna kayo at magpe-prepare muna kami ng aming breakfast. So, ayan, may huli kaming isda. Ayan, oh.
Kaya sariwa nga, 300.
Ang laki.
Kulang nga. Huwag na yung pasit yun. Mahal nga. Hindi nga nga.
Grabe, ang dami niyang na biniling doon, isda, hipon, crab at marami pa. Grabe. Mamaya yun namin kakainin. Ito nakakatuwa naman, nakaka-excite. So ito yung kinuha namin kanina sa dagat. Kinuha nila fresh na fresh yan from the sea. Ayan, dami yung iba-ibang klase. Ito masarap. Ayan. Dami
I've seen you. I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. If you play away, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been right here before. I see the dangers, baby, I'm not crying over you. There's no point denying we're through, 'cause baby, I'm not crying over you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.
Nandito na kami sa tubig at mag-aano na kami, magsiswimming na. Grabe, sobrang lamig ng tubig at maalat. Ayan, ang ganda na ng nakikita mo na lahat kasi ayan, ang ganda dito, promise. Ang ganda dito sa Unisan, Quezon. So Unisan, Quezon, maraming salamat po at nag-enjoy naman kami dito. Ayun guys, pupunta daw kami doon. Kung nakikita niyo yun yung kuweba daw doon. May kuweba daw, so punta muna kami. So ayan, dadalhin ko itong aking GoPro at saka itong aking cellphone para mag-picture at mag-video. Just dyan lang muna kayo.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
saka kasi medyo madulas. Pero ngayon naman maganda yung place namin dito at saka mag-swimming na tayo.
Wala kang brief ano?
Ay, madali. Dito kayo. Tatawa. Ayan kayo, yan. Dito kayo. Alam mahulog!
We're still here at hindi pa kami paalis, so nag-iintay lang kami ng go signal para makaalis, pero malamang kakain muna kami ng lunch kasi it's already 12 noon. So ayan, dyan lang muna kayo at magla-lunch muna kami.
1 hour later.
So ayan, may available din silang parang dito, shake cooler. Pumili kami. Guys, ang pangalan pala na itong lugar ito ay Malatandang Unisan, Quezon. So Malatandang Beach ang tawag dyan. At pupunta kami dito ngayon sa may nagbebenta ng t-shirt. So bibili ako pang summer kasi medyo mainit na. So ayun siya. Bintay ako din. Gusto ko yung white yun. Ito, titingnan natin. Sad to say, walang kasya sa akin. So wala akong nabiling t-shirt. At siguro talaga ayaw kong pabilihin. So balik na lang kami ulit sa namin, sa cottage namin, at maya aalis na rin kami.
My father told me when I was young, don't play with fire, be careful son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burned the cities down. Before you learn to listen, you won't be lonely if you fall in love over and over again and again.